Hi, I'm Michael Mena. My major is computer science at Miami Dade College, and I completed my epic challenge with Canela Media, and their office is at Coral Gables. So the project we worked on was an AI chatbot to help the Canela staff reduce their time to retrieve data. On average, they would spend like 10 to 15 hours a week, and now they can do that in a matter of minutes with our new chatbot that we created. Yeah, during the internship, we learned a lot of new AI tools that I would say I'm proud of, including Lovable and N8N. My job was the front end, so I was mostly utilizing Lovable, and I would say that I'm proud of the UI that I came up with. I would say definitely do it. It was a great experience, a great time. You learn a lot and you get a lot of new connections, and you can only learn from it as you move on through your career. I would like to thank Miami Dade College, Miami TechWorks, Juliet Berdard for reaching out to me to give me this opportunity, Santiago Gomez, Chechu Lacheras, and the whole Canela Media team for giving me this opportunity and this time to learn. And yeah.